it's Jamie Beeler, Independent Director with 31 Gifts, and I have some amazing product solutions for organization enthusiasts. Whether you're an expert organizer or you're looking for some ways to clear the clutter in your house, I got some awesome products for you. First up, I have our bedside organizer. So this is going to help you clear that clutter off of your nightstand or bedside table. It has this flap that slides between your mattress and box spring or mattress and bed frame. It has pockets to put things like your books, your remote controls, your reading glasses, anything that you might like to keep there. So love this. This is a great one. All of my kids have this in their room, and it's just a nice place for them to keep everything organized. Next, I have our stand tall bin and drawstring laundry bag. So the stand tall bin is a great bin for laundry. We use these in all of our rooms. Everybody has one to keep their laundry in. It has these long handles so you can carry it to the laundry area. You can personalize it. So if you want to do one for lights and one for darks, or maybe you have one for towels, you can do that as well. It has a wipeable laminate interior. It's made from recycled plastic water bottles, and it doesn't get stinky, and it's just very easy to clean. Now, it also makes a great storage area for blankets or for stuffed animals, toys, Nerf guns, all of those things. Inside it, I have our drawstring laundry bag. It fits perfectly down inside of there. So if you do maybe live in an apartment where you don't have a washer dryer hookup and you need to go to the laundromat, or you're a college student and you need to bring laundry home, this works great for you. So it has a big drawstring on it, and you just throw all of your laundry in there. You can pull it out, pull that drawstring, cinch it closed. On the front, it has this little pocket with a cinch on it as well, and you can throw your quarters, your detergent, and such inside of there. On the back, it has this little hook that you can hang on a hook in your bathroom or wherever it may be, and then it has a strap so you can carry it over your shoulder. This one is also great when you travel. You can use this little loop back here to hang it up in the closet and put all of your dirty clothes in there while you're traveling, so it's super simple to take home and keep them separate from your clean clothes. All right, now let's talk about those closets and pantries, right? We have so many things in there that need to stay organized. I love our long bamboo stacking bins. So these are so great. I grab these out of my pantry. We use them to put all of the different kids' snacks and things in, so they're just really easy to grab. My husband also has these on his dresser to organize the different things that he keeps in his pockets. So these do come apart, and you can stack multiple on top of each other. They also would make a great item for like a little coffee station to keep your different coffee pods and things like that in, or on the bathroom countertops. Next, I have our Your Way Easy Grab Bins. So these are great for those 12 by 12 by 12 storage cubbies to keep everything nice and tidy of them. They're also great in the linen closet, in the pantry, and the top of your closets for clothes storage, for seasonal clothes. So if you want to put shorts or t-shirts in there and put them up in the winter, it works really well for that as well. So lots of great items to choose from. And don't forget our customer special. For every $50 of regular price items that you spend, you can choose another regular price item for 50% off. So it really allows you to mix and match and create your own organizing bundle that works just for you. I hope that these quick items have given you some ideas of how you can begin to clear the clutter in your house. We'll see you soon.